Hi everyone, welcome back to Dream UK. If you're planning to apply for education loan in India, then this video is for you because I will tell you how you can get the most affordable option and how you can easily apply for education loan in India without doing a lot of research, because getting an education loan is a long process. It takes a lot of documentation. You need to do a lot of research, but I will simplify this entire process for you. I myself applied for an education loan in 2020 and it was a very long process and I didn't like it at all because I had to do a lot of research on myself and it took a lot of time. When I applied for education loan, I went to the bank where I had my account and I didn't bother exploring all the other options. So in that process, I was not actually sure about if there are other options in the market that are cheaper or if I can get more education loan based on my profile. And the thing is, if you don't explore all the options, sometimes you need to rely too much on the bank and they might not disclose all things to you unless you ask them specifically. For example, I was dealing with the bank and they didn't tell me if I try to pay the loan earlier, then what would be the implications. But when I asked this question, then they told me how much charges I would be required to pay if I do early payments of my loan. In this video, I'll be telling you about Gandan. It's a free of cost service that helps students end to end in the entire education loan process. They will help you from the beginning of your application till you get your loan dispersed. I wish I knew this before applying for education loan because Gandan really makes your life easier. So if you need to apply for loans easily and if you want to get education loan guidance without being too much dependent on the bank, then watch this video till the end because Gandan does all of this without charging you a single rupee. Okay, so let's talk about Gandan now. So Gandan is a company and they work with all major education loan providers in India and they have helped thousands of students to secure education loans. And the benefit of working with them is, first of all, if you don't know anything about education loan, you can easily get in touch with them and they will help you with the application process. They will assess your profile. They will consider your academic qualifications, your financial stability and financial standing. Based on that, they will help you shortlist which banks will offer you how much loan at what interest rate. So that's the biggest benefit of working with Gandan. And what I like the most about this service is that this entire approach is very much personalized, and throughout this process you're not directly dealing with banks, so there is no bias from bank side. In fact, Gandan will help you understand different offerings from different banks so that you make the best decision possible. In fact, if you are facing some issues while dealing with your bank, suppose it's taking a lot of time to get your disbursement, or if there is any issue in the process, they can act like an intermediate and they can help you move things quicker. So I think that's a big support in itself. And there is one more thing worth mentioning here. If you have a good academic profile, you have good academic qualifications, and you also have a good financial profile, in that case, Gandan can help you negotiate interest rates with the bank, and that will have a lot of impact in the long run because it will reduce the amount you will need to pay to the bank. And this is also something I really like because it takes off some pressure from students in terms of how much money they will be required to pay back. So if you're planning to apply for education loan, Gandan has this AI tool that you can use on their website. You can put your details over there and based on your profile and information you submit, you will see the best education loan options available to you. And even if you have applied for education loan, you should still use this tool to check if you can get education loan from somewhere else at a better interest rate. And post that, you can also discuss your entire situation from Gandan and they can give you much more personalized assistance. So I will put the link of the AI tool in the description. You need to click on that and then check out what all you can get from Gandan and how you can get the best education loan possible. And this will definitely ease up your education loan process because you will be guided by professionals who deal with thousands of students in this process. So if you want free education loan guidance without paying anything and get the best education loan for yourself, I would highly recommend Gandan. So I hope this will help you in your education loan process. The best part is you don't need to pay anything to Gandan and you will end up saving money because they will help you secure your education loan at lowest interest rate possible. That's the end of the video. Take care. Bye.